Before starting your project, know what's below. Call before you dig. Contact your local authorities to have lines marked before beginning any construction project on your property. Step 1. Set the posts in concrete using the specified length of either the top or bottom track as a guide. Step 2. Place the bottom track on the ground between posts. Bottom and top tracks are identical and interchangeable. Step 3. Align the post track inside of the bottom track and raise it approximately 1 to 2 inches above the ground and secure with the supplied self-tapping screws. Step 4. Raise the bottom track up to the post tracks and align slotted holes. Insert supplied bolt and nut on each end and hand tighten. Step 5. Before inserting the infill, notch out the first and last pieces of the infill materials where corners meet. Remove at least 1.5 by 1.5 inches, not more than 3 by 3 inches of material at the corners. Step 6. Begin inserting the infill material. Step 7. Attach the top track. Place the top track over the post tracks and align slotted holes. Insert supplied bolt and nut on each end and hand tighten. Step 8. Tighten all hardware to secure the top and bottom tracks to the post tracks and insert post caps onto each post.